Are you sure?
Oh, yeah. So let me take just a second here to introduce our speakers. JoAngela Woods and her husband, did I say that right?
You did.
Okay, good. And Matt, I know I said that right, are visiting with us. She is a licensed massage therapist, and they have a salon down on Southwest Drive, Allure Salon, 428 Southwest Drive. So let's welcome her and let her tell us all about it.
Woo!
As you said, I'm JoAngela Woods, and I am a massage therapist. And I gave y'all little brochures. My husband's going to be taking pictures and videotaping me, so just don't mind him. And if you just open it up, the first thing that will fall out is a coupon for everybody. It's half off your first massage, so you can get a 30-minute massage as cheap as $15, which is a good deal. But so many people have issues with massage. They don't understand it. They think it's just for the wealthy. They don't understand that it really is beneficial for everybody. So I just kind of want to briefly go through why it's beneficial. The benefits of massage, it increases circulation. When I work on you, that's helping the blood flow. So if you have any issues with circulatory problems, I know my mother has issues. Her feet and her hands get cold all the time. So she gets regular massages, and that just helps the blood flow go through. It decreases blood pressure. Well, that kind of makes sense when you're on the table and you're relaxed. You've got all the stresses in your life going on. You don't think about that. You're on the table and you're in a good, happy zone. Your blood pressure's going down. Helps joint pain. If you have any issues, I've had people who've had basically like tennis elbow, but it wasn't from tennis, it was from doing the vacuum cleaner, and their joints were painful. I would work on that, and she would come in, and that just helps. It's called synovial pumping, and basically that just gets fluid into that joint to help it lubricate the joints. Decreases stress. Again, you're on the table for an hour, or for 30 minutes, you feel great. You're not thinking about the stresses of the world. My mantra is escape from the real world for an hour. Because when you're on my table, that's what I try to give to you, just to escape from all the stuff that's out there. Provides exercise for underused muscles. I do range of motions, or I can work with you to do range of motion exercises. So if you don't if you can't do a lot of running or a lot of walking, that me working on your legs, that's passive exercise. And basically I'm doing the work, but you're reaping the benefits. Again, improves range of motion, so I do range of motion exercises with you. It reduces spasms and cramps. How many people have had a back spasm? I mean, probably every one of us. And it feels horrible. But I've had several people come in, I need a massage today, I'm in so much pain. And I work on them, and it reduces that spasm, gets it out of there, works it out. Who can benefit from massage? People who suffer chronic illnesses, fibromyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis, anything like that, or even just basic arthritis. Because again, it helps with the joint pain. So I've had so many fibromyalgia patients who, they're constantly in pain and they need something. And that helps. People suffering from stress, again, escape from the real world for an hour. So that is my mantra. People who suffer from migraines, I work on the neck and shoulders. I do a lot of work in that area. I've had several migraine sufferers, and massages really help them feel better. People with sinus allergy issues, and that seems kind of weird, but I do work on the sinus areas to alleviate pain, to alleviate stuffiness. And again, sometimes if you have sinus allergy issues, you might have migraines or headaches, because especially with all the pollen in the air. And head massage is really good for that. And pregnant women. Pregnant women definitely benefit from massage therapy. I don't know who all has had children, but if you ever carried a child, your low back and your legs hurt, is what I hear. I don't have any, but I've had several pregnant women come in, and the massage helps them. In fact, I've had several women who just want a 30-minute because a certain area is just bothering that week. So in other words, everyone can benefit from massage. Because, I mean, I'm sure anybody, even if you're not suffering from chronic illness or anything else, you probably have stress in your life. Who doesn't? The commonly asked questions and concerns, we were just talking about this a little bit. Do I have to get completely undressed to receive a massage? And the answer is no. I mean, you don't. I keep you draped at all times except for the area that I'm working on. But I always tell people, you undress to your level of comfortability. If you don't want to get completely undressed, you don't have to. I can work over clothing. I also have a chair where I do chair massages where you stay completely closed, and I just work on your neck. You had a neck massage, you didn't get undressed. I just did over the clothing stuff. But if you want to undress, like I said, I keep you draped. I try to be very professional and very modest, because I understand that can be kind of weird. The last time, another concern is the last time I got a massage hurt, so I never got another one. And what I say to that is every massage therapist is different, and their techniques are different. So some massage therapists want to make it hurt, so there's a hurt so good, and then there's just an ow hurt. And the hurt so good is like you're working on a spasm, let's say, and they're digging in there trying to alleviate it. Yeah, it's gonna hurt in a way, but it hurts so good. You're like, ooh, that hurts, but keep doing it. But then there's just the ow, where this does not feel good at all. And the only way a massage therapist can know that is if you tell them. I mean, I always talk to clients before I give them a massage. Do you like deeper pressure or lighter pressure? And usually when they say, I don't know, I've never had a massage, I go kind of light and work up to deeper pressure. But the only way I can know, or any massage therapist knows, is if you let them know, hey, this is too deep, this is hurting me, I don't like it. And that's fine. I don't think you're going to, any professional massage therapist, you're not going to hurt their feelings if you say, this isn't feeling right. So the way to benefit properly from massage is to tell them, to talk with them. And the other concern I get is, I want to get a massage, but they are so expensive. Think of a massage as a tune-up for your body. We get tune-ups to make our cars run better, and a massage can do that for your body. It really can. You feel better. You're de-stressed. Sometimes you can even think about problems in your life with a clearer head. I know that's how it is with me. When I get a massage, when I come out of there, I'm so relaxed and so I'm more focused. And then obviously if I've been in pain, I'm not thinking about the pain anymore because it's gone, or it's at least alleviated some to where I can focus on other things. So we only have one body, and you have to do what you can to preserve it. And massage is better than just popping a pill. I mean, my belief. Medicine is good. I'm not trying to say it's bad or anything, but massage is very beneficial towards that. And another thing is, like, I always try to run monthly specials to help everybody, and then also keep on. So that because I realize, in the economy, it's a rough time. So like I said, I run monthly specials, and I try to do what I can to help out everybody get a massage. Because like I said at the beginning, massage isn't just for the wealthy and people higher up. It's for everybody, because everybody can benefit from a massage. Any questions?
Actually, I do have.
Okay.
I know Mom said sometimes when her legs hurt, she'll massage them, and my husband said that if you have a blood clot, that could break that loose.
Yes. If you have like varicose veins, or you're prone to blood clots, you need to talk to your doctor. It would have to be really deep massage, but yes, there is a chance you could basically shove the clot and it could move further up in your body. So anytime I talk to or about to work on someone, I always ask them if they're on blood thinners, chance of blood clots, things like that. And sometimes people look at me like I'm nuts. Why are you asking me all these medical issues? But massage is a medical thing. Again, it's not just a nice thing, and it really is medical. Does that answer? Any other questions?
Any questions?
Excuse me, I have one.
Okay.
I've heard about heat and cold therapy.
Mm-hmm.
Does that fall within your area of expertise?
Yes, I do a lot of heat therapy. Heat therapy is anything. When you put on a heating pad, that's heat therapy. I don't do a lot of cold therapy, typically because most people don't like it. Cold therapy you would use, like if you had a sprained ankle and you put ice pack on it, that's cold therapy. And you usually wouldn't get a massage if you had a sprain or any kind of inflammation when you do a massage there. So you would use cold therapy to decrease the inflammation. Heat therapy is good for some spasms, helps loosen the muscles. I always have a heating pad on my table just to help loosen the muscles so I can work deeper in them. And some massage therapists do hot stone therapy, which is again hot therapy. Any other questions? Would anybody like a free demonstration of a massage on their neck and shoulder?
I had one. I was in there to get my hair cut, and you did that. And like I said, it hurt, but man, look at the shoulder.
Is it okay if I mess up your hair a little bit?
It'd be fine.
And I'll go louder this time.
And I don't mind the heavy now. I just didn't know what to expect at the time.
Right.
Me and my daughter did a yard sale, and when I got home, I was hurting so bad. And my husband did that. He rubbed my neck and shoulders, and it got so good.
Yeah, your shoulders are really hot.
Chiropractor always says.
I lose stress.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a lot of people have, especially women, have really tight shoulders because we walk around like this. And we don't know it. I mean, maybe not that exaggerated, but you know, when we're stressed, it's like our shoulders go up and up and up. And that just makes the muscles the muscles just tighten up. And so you can do massage just on a regular chair. I have a massage chair, but it's kind of weird because you straddle it so I can get to the back there, but some people don't like it and they don't find it comfortable. But I can do massage on a regular chair. I think she's complaining.
No.
So that's working the neck there and the upper back.
Yes, ma'am.
Fall asleep on us. I won't. I gotta do no sleep.
Her stress was probably just a ride over here. I was driving.
She drives a little too
Well, I'll
fast.
say amen to that.
You know, as you get older,
Nothing
you
blocks
slow
her. She'll
down.
just go around it, up and over it. Oh, she can get through. She's going.
Well, if she ever gets her brakes fixed, that won't happen.
Tell about the story when you pulling into Walmart Walmart and some other guy was gonna take your parking space and you gotta,
Oh, I got out of the car. I think Mom was driving in.
Yeah.
I got out of the car and
Stop
stopped
that
them
lady.
where they couldn't go because we were there first.
she stopped that lady, she said, like this, come on, Mom, pull in there. Don't get in trouble one of these days.
Hey, we need to ride to the right, you know.
When you're there first, you're first, right?
That's what
Thank you, idea. Oh. Anybody else with a free demonstration? Yeah. Okay.
The only thing wrong with me, but, and I get on
Go ahead, wait, someone's done it.
I saw it.
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
Well, I've heard several people having higher miles.
Yeah, I dropped 22 cents.
I went to really bad. I didn't know what was wrong. And my daughter was, she never went to go to that.
I don't realize that. I don't always do it. I guess it's
I can remember about when I was really young. Was my feet were put up here, my feet were swelling, 50%. Back then they didn't have the work.
Okay.
This one's tied on us.
I had a rib problem a few one time.
Oh, slew of stuff, huh?
They don't go to that anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, he told me to try one. He said it's good.
How's
He
it
recommended
feeling? How's it feeling?
Oh, it gets foot long.
Oh, the massage.
Oh, no, it feels wonderful. Joe, you ought to watch him and do this every 4 hours.
Did you?
Keep it
Not very good. Did you bring it?
My husband does mine, but he's not a professional, but he does a good job.
I might hurt you.
Yeah.
You'll be ready for a nap, won't you?
Position our normal nap time.
I don't do that all the time. I don't know why I can't sleep.
See, that's what you need.
I do every now and then.
That's what you need to
That's
do
what
to
it means in
me.
the daytime when I do
Before I
it
put
at
the
night.
nap in.
I was used to working midnight shift for 10 years at the same job, and I just can't get in the routine. I cannot motivate in the mornings. I just can't. That's my sleep time.
Martha's down there.
I massage on Mike's neck once in a while. I don't know if it's professional or not. It's where he tells me the sore spots are.
When I get real bad, I usually go to
Do what?
What she does sounds a lot like a chiropractor.
Yeah.
They do your sinuses and
They
I've never been a
sure
chiropractor or
faithful
massage
working
therapist.
with those children.
Yeah, they go
all
all
the way.
They cooked all the time, and they serve them children. I mean, it's gonna be hard for them right now. But it's not very easy.
When I
Dr.
do
Unger's mother's
Lord
family
told me
has
about crying.
kids.
And I don't even go to this church, but still.
I work the back
Well, they're just
neck
one
and
people,
shoulders, face
they,
and scalp.
both of them.
The back of the
Feet.
and the
They give so
It
freely
might be her.
themselves.
Is there any benefits for diabetics?
Yes, ma'am.
That was a question you could ask.
Always
I
admired.
just found out I was I didn't have trouble with one foot here.
Yeah, I saw Julie and Joyce and Logan yesterday.
Did you?
Does it feel good?
Uh-huh.
I hope you're
Joyce
enjoying
told me that they were
diabetics. I
29
have compromised
weeks
and
as we did.
with massage can kind of boost your immune system because releasing different hormones that can help you. And then the
I guess they
circulatory
bought a place.
and
I don't have any idea.
sometimes it can hinder the circulation. Sometimes you have feet problems. So
Oh, I've had a problem with this for 2-3 months now. I just can't understand the walk on it. But now since I got the medicine, I've been taking the medicine, it seems like it's
She
helping
said
the diabetic medicine. I don't know what can
the
have
more
to
minutes
do
you
with
get, the better.
this. Unless I was retaining a lot of fluid, because I feel like I've lost a lot of fluid since I've been taking it.
My grandmother had diabetes really bad, and I would work with her. And she, loved it. And I've worked on cancer patients, and there's nothing more, I think, beneficial. And I was telling him I had a cancer patient that had a shaved head and she had to wear a wig, and I asked her if I could work on her scalp, and she was
I don't think Bob.
I don't think a lot of people wanted to, no one wanted to touch her scalp. Probably because they were scared, and thought it was painful, and she was, static. So that made me feel really good.
And what benefit is massage of the scalp?
Well, first of all, it relaxes you.
Okay.
I mean, it's good. Usually when I work on the scalp, I can almost see it in my clients. It relaxes the whole body. I don't know what it is. It's every client the same way. But a lot of people have so much going on in their brain, especially nowadays. And I feel like when I'm touching on their scalp, it's just like they don't, all that kind of goes away for a little bit. It's just sort of my take on it. But it also helps with headache sufferers. I do some, it's called craniosacral work, and basically that kind of releases some of the tension in your neck and shoulders up to your scalp, and that helps. And again, layman's terms, it just feels really good.
Yeah. I know I have a daughter that she had mom rub her head for hours.
Well, if a person is a cancer patient, they're hurting all the time. Anything like that would be soothing probably and feel good.
Right. And I mean, at any time, if anybody's going through any kind of emotional pain, I mean, I've had some people who are just dealing with maybe death in the family, or just suffering from having to care for someone who's about to die. And again, like I said, I'm not joking when I say you sit and roll over for an hour. You really, or even 30 minutes, it just feels really good.
So did you bring any gift certificates today?
Yes, ma'am, I did. I did bring,
You won't let me do anything, will you?
oh, I have one more thing.
Questions that?
Sorry. I was going to say, any of the time on the specials and these coupons are good for gift certificates. The gift certificates don't have expiration dates on them, which is, I'm finding out, is pretty rare. Most places have expiration dates, but I don't, so I don't really believe in them. And I did bring gift certificates today if anybody is interested, if anybody has birthdays coming up, anything like that. So.
Okay. I do want to get a couple.
Okay.
I was hoping you'd say that head massage would increase your memory.
Yeah, I need that too. That would help. Memory boost.
Yeah.
That would help too.
Oh, thank you.
Good job.
Okay. Well, I want to thank you for bringing the
Good job.